Alright guys, just picked up the Mustang and I think we broke something on the way home. Let's see what it is. Axle, something. Oh yeah, absolutely wrecked that tire. Crap. Oh my god, it's like, holy crap. That sucks. We gotta finish up some body work and fix that tire. Clutch is in, so see where it goes from here. I think I'll catch you guys in the morning. Gotta finish up a lot of stuff on this Mustang yet, and now we gotta go fix that tire. So we're back in the Mustang, and it's the next day. So today we got a couple things we're gonna take care of. We're gonna get this Mustang taken care of. We're gonna jump back into it. It's been a few weeks since we've been on this Mustang, so hopefully you guys are excited. We're just gonna jump right into it and start plugging away. All right. So we got it moved up. We got to, we're gonna crank it up. We're gonna take these two wheels off. I'm gonna try to bring those over, and then while we're doing that, we're gonna swap out this body panel that's cracked over here. Anyway, so we're gonna swap this out, but first we're gonna take these wheels off. Let's do that. Flat.
Nice, good job, Pep Boys.
Alright, let's see the other one. The other one I'm scared. Hopefully it didn't ruin the rim. It should be okay, but... Woo! Wow! Completely all the way around. I mean, what can I say? These tires were used for drifting, but the guy didn't he didn't really explain much to me. So I gotta bring these over and get some new tires for these things. What do you think?
I think so.
Alright, let's do it. Of course, on the way home from the tire shop, he got a massive Taco Bell order.
Stop, turn the camera off.
Let's go eat and get back to work. Oh look, our love notes. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Almost broke my phone. Oh, it's a knife! Oh, get wrecked! Ow!
Granola bars.
Oh! Yeah. Whoa, whoa, ah! Alright, so I got this, I don't really know what you call it, the proper term, this door trim piece from some guy on Facebook. That would be sweet. Seriously. Oh, phone is down.
Oh.
So we gotta swap this out. Figure out how to swap it. Are you serious? It's like... Alright, so it looks like we gotta take these two trim pieces off. You're a little bit close. So what we gotta do here is take this trim piece off, pull it all the way down. There's a bolt at the back. And I think there's a bolt on the front. A couple bolts that run down the line under this trim and a bolt there. So let's do that. comes off.
Oh.
Did you get that?
Yeah, hit me in the elbow, right in my funny bone.
Well, it's off. Finally. Maybe we could reuse this, you think? What do you think?
Wait for me.
Reuse it? Let's get the new one on. We're going Ronald McDonald mode in no time. Let's go. Clips in. Ow! See that?
No.
No blood.
That's good timing.
Is that in at all?
Mm-hmm.
Well, so far, so good. We'll see. I didn't shut the door on it yet, so if it falls off after I shut the door, we'll restart. But yeah. All right, so a little bit of time later, I'm gonna update you guys. So first, to start off, this caliper was seized. We found this out when it was up on the lift at my buddies that did the clutch. So this caliper was all seized up, so I bought a new one. We got a new one coming in tomorrow. So I got this off, ready to swap out. Under the hood, we did some lights wiring. So these LEDs that were right here, that are gonna light up with this light, I'll show you guys as soon as I get the fuse. We ran the wiring, so I gotta get that fuse from Pep Boys to add a fuse and build it into the fuse box. Coming along with the inside, all I did was to use some glue to keep these up because the clips weren't working. So we got the tweeters covered. Inside is looking pretty gnarly. But for now, what we're gonna do a little bit is Bondo a couple of these. Bondo on this crack, mainly I'm worried about this crack right here. So we're gonna get it ready for dip and get cracking on this thing. I wanna finish it up, I wanna make it look sweet, I want you guys to see the finished product. So I gotta finish touching up. Pep Boys kinda absolutely destroyed the rim outer lip, but you know, it is what it is. What, dude? No! Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna take this out so I can just not worry about taping this little piece off. So we can take that out, this out. Of course the mic wasn't on. This kid's a chacharoo. You're the worst film cameraman I ever. Wait, I gotta clean that lens. It's like really dusty and dirty. Oh, no transition. It's still just me. Okay, ready?
Disappointing.
Okay. So the biggest spots that I'm worried about bondoing, these are kind of sanded down smooth. They were smaller spots, but I'm gonna hit this right now. So you guys see what they look like now, and we'll try to clean these up the best of my ability. Oh yeah, she's working. Woo! This thing was absolutely disgusting. Like, we're back out here, another beautiful 30-degree day. We're gonna sand down this Bondo. Got my DA sander, so we're gonna sand it down, smooth it all off, make sure it looks good. So that's our first step for today. So let's jump into it. Sanded up, got a couple spots smoothed down. That's pretty smooth, as smooth as I can get it. It looks pretty good. Everything's pretty smooth. There's no cracks. Crack's gone. Put it down. Sanded down. But we got a little hump here still, but gone. Got these. Alright, so we're taking this wire. I don't know if you guys can see this wire right here. Cutting it back. Splicing in this, or out of circuit actually. Tap it into this fuse right here that's on when the key is on and off when the key is off. We'll see if it works. I'm excited. Let's try it out. Look at this. Strip it back. Twist these up. Like this. Put this in. Like that. And that's good. Then you put your new one on one side. I guess I'm just gonna test it. The new one on one side. LEDs. Ow! Plug that in. See how it goes. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. It's on, but I think they're on. Oh, they're both on and they work and they look good. That is so sick. Wow. Check this out, guys. This is so cool. They look so cool. To show you guys what these look like at night. These are gonna be so sick. Oh my God. That's cool. Am I too excited about these LEDs? Maybe, but who cares? They look sick. These are gonna be awesome. Now I'm so happy I bought these. They're so cool. You guys gotta get yourself a pair of these. So we got these new lug nuts. We're gonna throw these on, and I can throw this wheel back on. This one was flat, so this one's repaired. This is the one we picked up from Pep Boys. So we're gonna throw this one on, and then the other one obviously we still have to wait for the caliper. So let's check this one on. All right, so we're on to the next step, which is cleaning it. So we're gonna give it a good wash and get all this sanding dust off of it, get it all clean, make sure it's all nice and dry. Last time we wash it before it's all one color. So we gotta get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna wash it, make it look pretty good. I mean, as far as we can. I think we're coming into some bad weather. Snow, I think Thursday, so I don't know when I'm gonna be able to jump back on this thing. Hopefully I can clear out some of the garage space and jump in the garage and finish this thing up for you guys. Make a sweet video on it, and honestly just sell it, get this thing out of here. So this thing's gonna be for sale. You guys saw the hard work that went into this, so keep your eye out for that posting. And if you're in the market for a pretty mint Mustang pretty soon, hit me up. It'll be on the market. I'll show you guys when, and we're gonna get pretty close. We're almost ready for paint, so I'll keep you guys updated on this thing. But I think we're gonna wrap that up there. Hopefully we will catch you guys with the finished Mustang real soon. If it's finished before next Friday, I'll post it before next Friday if I can get to it. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.